What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to add multiple accounts on Facebook. So if you want to add 2 accounts, 3 accounts, here is exactly how you can do it, and you can also switch between them every time you want. So let's get started right now. So you want to open your Facebook and you want to click menu at the very bottom right, or if you are using Android, you will see menu in the top right. Okay, so for me it's in the bottom right. And after that, you just want to log out. Okay, just click log out, and then again log out, and your first Facebook account is saved on Facebook. So you can just click here, and now you can log in like immediately. So just log out. Okay, log out, and here where it says log into another account at the bottom, it says here log into another account. You just want to enter the information of your second Facebook account, and then click login. Okay, and after you log in into your Facebook, you just wanna, after you log in, you just wanna do the same thing. Now you have 2 accounts. Now you have 2 accounts on Facebook. If you want to to switch between them, just click log out and log out, and instead of seeing 1 account, because I only have 1 account, you will see here 2 accounts, and you can click whatever you want. I hope this makes sense. Just like I said, click log into another account and enter your information, and you can whenever you want to use the first account, just click log out, and you will find your accounts here. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.